In this video we are going to create a 3D low poly bedroom. Select all and delete them. Now add a plane and adjust its size around 6 tiles. In edit mode select top face, press C and extrude it. Now press Shift D and right click to cancel the movement. Now adjust its size like this and decrease the height. Set the location to start of floor. Add array modifier to it and increase the count of tiles. Adjust the space between tiles like this. Now add a cube, increase its size equal to our floor. In edit mode select these 4 faces and delete them. Now adjust the height of wall along Z-axis. Add solidify modifier to this and increase the thickness of wall. Now from upper side we can see it's not even, so just click on the even thickness checkbox. Now in edit mode press Ctrl R to add a loop cut on wall, place it like this. Add another loop cut in center, press Ctrl B and increase it like this. Now select both these faces using Shift right click dot. Press Alt T and extrude face along normal. Now add bevel modifier to wall and adjust the amount that you need. Add another cube to make a bed, adjust its size along the axis like this. Add loop cut to bed and extrude the face. Add bevel modifier to it. In edit mode select the face, press I and inset like this. Now press C and extrude it inside. Add a plane and adjust it on bed. Then extrude it and add bevel modifier. Add a cube to create a pillow. Adjust its size. Now press Shift D to copy the same. Add bevel modifier to both pillows. And increase the thickness if you need. Place both the pillows like this on the bed. Add plane, adjust it on wall like this now to create a frame. In edit mode extruded, press S, increase the size and it extrude again. Press I and set it and extrude it inside again. Now copy the frame on twice. Press Z to enter wireframe mode. Select one side of frame, press G and adjust the shape like this. Does the same with other frame. Add cube, adjust its size to create a shelf and place it on wall. Press Shift D, copy it and place it below. Add cube, adjust the size to make a wardrobe. In edit mode, press Ctrl R and add loop cut in height and width. Now select the face and subdivide it. Select both the edge, press X and dissolve them. Select both faces, extrude them inside and decrease the size a little bit. Select the center edge, press Ctrl B, increase a bit and extrude it inside. Now add a UV sphere, decrease the size. Move it near wardrobe. Place it like a handle, now copy it and place to other door. Add a plane, adjust the size to make a carpet and extrude it. Add a circle, place it near bed, adjust the size. In edit mode, press F to fill, then extrude it. Add a cylinder, adjust the size to make the leg of table. Now tilt the leg just like this. Press Z, enter wireframe mode, press Shift D, copy the leg, rotate its position. Place it on other side of table like followed. Now your table must look like this. Add bevel modifier, then adjust the amount, right-click and apply shade smooth to table. Now copy table and place it at the other side of bed. Add a cube to create a book. In edit mode, select these three faces. Press Alt T and extrude faces inside. Now copy it, change the shape and place the books in way you like it. Create something silly that you would like of your shelf. Add a circle, place it on shelf. In edit mode, press F to fill. Now extrude it and increase the size. Press I and inset it. Now extrude it inside twice. Add cylinder, adjust the size, place in center of pod. Select the top and bevel it. Now select the edge one by one like this using Alt plus Shift keys. Now select bevel edge option, create something like this. Add UV sphere, adjust and place it on the center of side table. Now turn on proportional editing, select the top vertex, press G and adjust the shape. Add cylinder, place it in the center of lamp. Add another cylinder, but first go to its details and change the number of vertices to 8. Now place it in the center of lamp. Select the top face and adjust its size so like a lamp. Copy the lamp and place it over the other table. Add cylinder to create the leg of wardrobe, adjust the size and copy it to other side. Add cube, adjust the dimensions, place it on the bed, and add bevel modifier to it. Now add base plane and increase its size. Enter material preview mode. In edit mode, select the faces of wall like this and assign them specific material that you like. Does the same, select another faces of wall and assign the new material, change the color that you like. Go to add, select light, now select area light, adjust its height, then increase the size. Select render, the render view mode. Go to light settings and increase the power as per requirement. Now select the floor, assign the color that you prefer, adjust sharpness and roughness. Do the same thing with other objects too. Select the book, assign new material in edit mode. Selected faces like this and assign them new material. To look wall frames unique, I added Majnu Bai's painting and place it the frame just like this. Added my logo, add some loop cuts and place it in the frame. Select the color of base that you like. Now it's time to render our project. And here's the final result. If you want to see more videos like this, do subscribe to my channel. Thank you.
Got drunk off your life, and I lost myself again. You hit just like a drug. This time I won't let you in. You're